Hey everyone, so I got a request about my pets, and I found these Eclectus videos yesterday, and I thought they were awesome. So me and Skylar are gonna make one. This is Skylar. She's a female Solomon Island Eclectus, and she's my baby, and I love her very much, and she's a good snuggly. Yeah. She's a good snuggly girl. You're the bestest. Yeah. This is my baby. This is my baby. Say hi, Skylar. Say hi. That's you. Do you see you on there? Do you see you, Sky? Look it. That's you. That's you, Mama Bird. That's you on the pooter. Yeah. Who that? Who that? That's you. Are you looking? She said, who that? Who that? Yeah, that's you, Mama Bird. That's you, Mama Bird. My snuggly baby. Look at this snuggly cuddling girl. This is my bestest. This is my bestest girl. Yeah. I love you, Skylar. Sweet girl. Yeah. Who's a petty baby? Do you see yourself? Huh? Do you see? I've been playing other Ekkie videos for her to watch, and I found this one that's really cute of this Eclectus in Britain. I guess it's a couple years ago though, but she's outside Parliament House, and her name's Polly. And so I just showed Skylar that. And Polly goes, I love you! And it's really cute because Skylar goes, I love you! Very similar. Yeah. Do you see you, baby girl? Do you see you? My baby, you're so awesome. Yeah, this is my baby. It's not showing up, but oh, there you go. See, look at her periophthalmic ring around her eye. It looks like eyeshadow. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Look at a pretty girl. Oh, isn't that pretty Mama Bird? She's the best. Anyway, so this is Skylar. I thought I'd share with everyone. She's my baby girl. Mwah. And you could see Mai in the background, or was that Anchang? Who was that? Who was that just walked by? Who was that? I don't know who that was. I think it was Anchang. Anyway. More later, you guys. Love you from me and Skylar. Love you.